Hello aspirants, looking at important headlines from the Hindu newspaper for 22nd October. On the front page you have this news: 6 civilians die in blast after Jammu and Kashmir police raid on hideout. So in a hideout, a raid was conducted by the police, and here 3 Jaish militants were killed by the security forces. Plus after that, because the house contained ammunition, so this caused a blast in which 6 civilians died, including a teenager. The next is CBI names its number 2 Rakesh Asthana in bribery case. So this is the second in command in CBI, Mr. Rakesh Asthana. We have been seeing how he has been in news. So here now a bribery case has been registered against him. So he has raised his voice against the director too, and now the second in command, Mr. Asthana, has himself been, been accused in a bribery case. Then next is NIA won't file charge sheet in Kanpur derailment case. So this is regarding a former train accident which had prominently come in news because of allegations being made that it was a sabotage. That is, it was purposely done by enemies. So Pakistan was also blamed for train derailments in the country. National Investigation Agency, which is the agency NIA, which looks into terror related cases, was asked to look and take up this matter. So actually there was no credible evidence which was found pointing towards such a sabotage, which was claimed by the minister too, the railway minister, plus also then railway minister, plus also it was claimed by the prime minister during the election rallies in Gujarat too. He directly alleged Pakistan involvement. So this case now, you can see NIA says it won't file charge sheet in Kanpur derailment case. Then another important news on front page is Shimla may be renamed Shamla. So this is another proposal to rename another city, Shimla. So you can see it's the ruling BJP government in Himachal Pradesh is now planning to rename it Shamla. Then down on the first page you have the news: saffron marigold is the color of sacrifice. So this is regarding the centenary year of First World War. So the world will mark the centenary of the end of the First World War on November 11, 2018. So you should know this is an important event and an important centenary. So you should know all the details about it. Then on page 7 you have this news: Odisha village tense after big cat kills man. So this is regarding Sundri, the tigress who was translocated from Madhya Pradesh as part of the tiger introduction program. So Sundri here from Mandavgarh Tiger Reserve, she came to Odisha Satkosia Tiger Reserve in June 2018. So now you can see, because of a man getting killed, the demands are being made, that it is linked to Sundri, and steps should be taken to resolve this issue. Then on the editorial page, the first editorial is avoidable tragedy. So this is regarding the Dasera celebration turning into a disaster because of crowd spilling over on the railway track and the train moving them down. And the next editorial is the comeback kid. So this is regarding the transition of government in Malaysia. So what steps, what is the development here is discussed. Then the lead article is lip service to labor rights. So this is regarding the issue which came up in Gujarat, that migrant laborers were moving out, it was a mass exodus as such. So here you can see this article talks of how migrant laborers' rights and their well-being is not a cause of concern for the states in which they migrate to. And then this is time to hew a new antiquities law. So this is regarding cultural vigilantism. So when culture is an important topic in prelims as well as in mains, so such articles become important. So it says cultural vigilantism threatens to cast a long shadow on the production of knowledge of the past. So how antiquities should be preserved and what steps need to be taken are discussed here. The reform which is required, even the Antiquities and Art Treasures Act 1972 needs to be amended. Then on the op-ed page, you have the pilgrimage progress. So this is regarding the Sabrimala issue. And on page 10, you have police blame civilians for Kulgam death. So this is regarding the incident which took place in which 6 civilians died. We saw it on the front page. So this is the detail provided here. Then down here you have the news. PM inaugurates revamped National Police Memorial. So this has been inaugurated in New Delhi. Then on international page you have the news. US to pull out of Russia Missile Pact. So this is regarding the Intermediate Range Nuclear Forces Treaty. So US has said that it would pull out of this treaty with Russia now, which is a crucial Cold War era treaty. Then on business page, you have this news. Government extends GSTR 3B return filing deadline to October 25. So there are concerns on input tax credit. So the deadline has been extended. So you should know everything about GST, what is input tax credit, and what are the returns to be filed. And this is ex-chairman defends ONGC stake buy in GSPC gas field. So this is Gujarat State Petroleum Corporation. So this purchase as such is being defended here by the ex-chairman of ONGC. Then on Mondays you have the business review coverage. On page 14 here you have years to go to stub out crop burning. So stubble burning has been an important issue, and here you can see the graphical details are also provided. And this is from forest to premium brands, a tribal story unfolds. So this is regarding butter seeds, you can see. So tree-born butter seeds as such are sourced from tribals here. So this has been discussed here. It's a small and medium enterprise which has been established. This is jobs in the formal sector. So how in the formal sector jobs have grown in the country. It accounts for 10% of India's labor force. So this is graphically shown here, the details. Then on the last page, you have the news. Immunotherapy promising in combating breast cancer. So now immunotherapy can be used for combating breast cancer. This has also been in news because of the Nobel Prize in Medicine being won by researchers on this. And this is China's melting glacier draws tourists amid climate worries. So Baishu here has lost 60% of its mass and shrunk 250 meters since 1982. So of course, because of this, tourists are also being attracted, because melting snow makes more available more land and lower, higher temperature. So that attracts tourists. But then climate change worries are also there. And this is Climate Fund allots $1 billion for poor nations. So this step has also been taken. So these are the important headlines from today's newspaper. For detailed coverage of current affairs, you can enroll for a course. The details are provided here. And also you can visit our website ashah.com. In the current affairs section, you can select the current affairs section and you can download the daily PDFs by the end of the day, and the monthly PDFs are also uploaded. So that is it. Thank you.